Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I have some new Covergirl lipsticks to share and swatch with you, and it's National Lipstick Day. So let's go ahead and get right into this box. Now in this box I have 48 shades of lipsticks to share with you. 48 shades. And I have Diamond with findingdiamond.com here with me today. So we're going to be swatching you and sharing with you some of our favorite lipsticks. Now we do have 3 finishes. Now we have Cremes, Metallics, and Demi-Mattes. So I'll be letting you know which type of finish each lipstick is that we swatch for you. So, ooh, look at this. Look at all these lipsticks. So pretty. Oh my god, guys. I don't know where to start. You see any that you like? Lots of favorites. Where are you going to start?
I want to start with this one.
That's pretty. What color is that?
It's Getaway, and it's a metallic.
And that is a metallic. Go ahead and open. None of these have been opened at all. So this is a true first impressions and swatches type video. Oh, that one is really pretty. It has lots of shimmer and sparkle in it. Ooh, go ahead and give that a swatch. And what's that one called?
Getaway.
Now I will have pictures as well as the swatches on my blog. I'll try to do some lip swatches here for you because I'm not wearing any lip. Oh, that's really pretty. Look at that.
Love that.
And what is that?
Getaway. It's like a burgundy, mauve-ish, metallic-y.
Looks like it has maybe like a brown undertone to it as well. It's really pretty. Everybody knows I love reds, but I'm not going to go into any reds right now. Though I probably should if I'm going to try on some. I think I like this Sultry Sienna. Now this one's going to be a matte finish. No, excuse me. This is a cream. Number 250, Sultry Sienna. Everybody knows I love a nude, and this is it.
I like that.
Oh yes, that looks like me. That's like one of my favorite nude type lipsticks.
That's really pretty.
Can you guys see it?
Not really.
Dang it. But that one's really pretty. It's like a pinkish nude with a slight brown undertone to it. It's really gorgeous. I love it. I'm going to leave this one out, because I think this one's going to be the one today. Alright, the next one. Ooh, I like that Demi-Matte Feelings. This one called Feelings. What else do you see? That's a really pretty purple.
I like a good brownish nude.
Really pretty. And this one's Feelings. Really pretty. I do like that one a lot.
It's Coffee Crave. It's a cream.
Coffee Cream.
Coffee Crave.
Coffee Crave.
Cream finish.
Oh,
it's more pink than I thought it would be, but
yeah, it does look more pink, and it has the shimmers in it, which is really pretty, and that's it right here. Coffee Crave? Coffee Crave. And what was this one?
That one's Getaway.
Getaway and Coffee Crave. Alright, so I'm going to try this one. This is a Demi-Matte, and this one's in Trending. Now this one looks like a nudie brown, but it almost looks mauve-y though. Right here.
I like that one.
No, it's not just showing up on me today. Right here is the color. And this one's Trending. Really pretty. So Covergirl has really stepped their game up with these lipsticks. These lipsticks are the bomb.com. Looks like all of my favorites and my picks have been 2 Demi-Mattes and a cream. Let's go in with,
I have Streaker.
That's pretty.
It's like a pinky nude.
I saw that one earlier in the box. That one right there. That one's real pretty.
It's a demi-matte.
Ooh, Infamous. It's another Demi-Matte.
I'm gonna do like a brownish one.
This one looks like, it looks like it would be like a vampy in the bottom of the tube, but it looks more red on camera. Let's see. But no, it's more like a Bordeaux type fall color. That's it right there.
That's very pretty. I love that.
Loving that one. And again, that one is Infamous. Number 455, Infamous. Just Saying is pretty. It's a Demi-Matte. Let's try it.
I was about to say, ooh, this one's really
Ooh,
pretty.
this one's really, really pink. A bold pink. Right here with a purpley undertone to it. Really pretty. But I think I want to wear, oh, look at this white though.
It's delicious. Is what this
That's
one's
real
called.
pretty.
It's like a purpley nude.
Is that it here? Oh yeah, right here.
Delicious.
That's real pretty. Delicious. What about this white though?
Yeah. What would you wear that for though?
I don't know. You can wear this for like festival type makeup. I don't know. Just when you're trying to be different, I guess. White lipstick and
Maybe
it's
you use like a
yin
beige.
yang.
Some mixed colors maybe.
You could. Yeah. What else is there? Then there's a silver. It's called Flushed and it's a metallic finish. And that is it right here. And it's like a grayish silvery color with glittery reflex in it. Alright, I'm gonna pick me one to put on. Dolce de Leche. That was real pretty though.
Of the nude.
That one's almost like, you're definitely gonna need a liner with that one if you wear that, like a brown. Now we do get 1, 2, 4, 8. How did I just count? 2,
1, 2, 4, 8.
Well, yeah, I was doing it single, then I went to 2s. I was like, wait, it looks like they're even numbers, but we have 8. We have 8. This is 4. This is 4 on either side of the lips. That makes 8. 8 lip liners here. Now this one's in Plum Partner. I've never had a lip liner by Covergirl, have you? Can't open it. My nail too long. There we go. Let's twist it. Break that paper. There we go. Ooh, I like the tip. It's like at an angle. Very interesting. Ooh, now that's real pretty with that, which color was that I chose? With that Infamous. It's real pretty.
Yep.
Really nice. Loving this lip liner. Perfect. Ooh, got some pretty pinky ones, nude ones.
I'm trying to decide which one I want to put on.
Me too. Do I want a red lip or do I want a nude lip?
I think I'm gonna go with Coffee Crave.
That's pretty.
That second one I did.
I think, do I want to be pink? I don't know. But this red here, Seduce Scarlet. I love a red lip these days. Ooh, this one's super red. Really pretty. Which one are you using?
Coffee Crave.
Ooh, so many choices.
Now it went on a little more sheer than I was expecting it to.
Really?
Pick it up.
Yeah, it is real sheer. Very sheer. What type of finish was that again? Because
Cream.
Yeah, cream finishes tend to be a little more sheer. Now this one's Darling Kiss. You see it? It's this real pinky color here. Darling Kiss. Loving this one too. So many pretty colors. Oh, I didn't see this peacock. This is a blue, and we have a black in here as well. But don't worry, guys. I will do lip swatches in another video, as well as on my blog as well. Look at this blue, though.
That's pretty.
That is very pretty.
Looks like a Kylie.
It does. Loving it. Oh my gosh, there's so many pretty colors here. Okay, I think I'm gonna go in with trending. Do I want to try a lip liner to go with it? I'm gonna try a lip liner. I'm gonna use trending. I'm gonna go with nude because that's how I'm feeling today. Like a nude. What did I tell you was gonna happen? I was gonna get some on my white dress.
I think it landed on the floor.
Okay.
It matches your nails.
Oh, it does, doesn't it? I like it. Super nude. I probably should have picked a more popping color to wear though today. But I like it. I definitely like it. I probably should have went with Spellbound. Cause I never really ever wear. Oh, look at that. But it looks more magenta in the two. Look at that. Ooh, this is it right here. Let's just mix the two. Yeah, that's it. I like it. So pretty. Well, guys, I think that is it for us. Be sure to check out Diamond's channel as well as my blog for more pictures and swatches of these lipsticks. So be sure to check out Covergirl in stores. Now, I know for a fact that Walmart does have these shades in stock right now because I just seen them because I was just in there restocking up on my matte made foundation in the color D40 and D50. So be sure to pick you up some of these beautiful lipsticks. Until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye.